What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the Zeekr 7X that we have right in front of me here. The color of this car is actually in grey, and I believe maybe down the road they may be changing the name of this color to be another better name, or maybe they're just going to maintain it in grey, because if you look at the website, the name of the colors are actually quite simple and straightforward. So if it's grey, it's grey, it's white, it's white, it's purple, and whatnot. So in today's video, we'll be doing a walk around POV shot of this exact unit here at Zeekr Sunway. First, let us address the main lights that we have down here, daytime running lights, together with the main headlamps down here. But these are very well designed LEDs that you can change the design from the inside part of the car using the main screen. But check out the front logo that's lighted up like this, beautifully done. I love how it looks, man. Really nice. And I also believe these open for cooling purposes for the battery that's located in the center, right? So yeah, sensors are all over the place. Check out the sensors, all those circle dots. Beautiful design. Number plate is going to be going there. Now let's move on to the side. The wheels. Now these are the 20-inch wheels that we have for the front. The two-tone calipers. Two-tone wheels, but the orange calipers that we have right there with drilled disc brakes. Looks absolutely beautiful. Now let's move on also to the other side of the car, where we will notice the front passenger side that we have here. Now the exterior part of the car is grey, and the internal part of this car is black and grey. So there's a two-tone finish for the inside part of this car. Now let's move on to the door first. The stitching here is in a different color. I believe this must be slight, hard to tell, could be colorblind, but yeah, is it a bit yellowish, orange? I'm not really quite sure, but yeah, love to see that detail being a different tone of a color right here and there. So simple adjustments for the window to be up and down, very nice. The door opening button is right here. No, it's super simple, not having much of this or that, here or there. Let's move on to the inside here. Close the doors. Open up the doors again, will be this one right here. But before that, let's check out the legroom. I'm sitting comfortably here right now. You got two wireless charging ports here. You got a place where you can adjust all your settings from the main screen. You got a lovely sound system right here, and also over there, and also there, even down here as well. So this is called the Zeekr sound. We open up, show it to you guys. The doors open up automatic also. Look at that Zeekr sound, beautiful. It's a 20 over speakers in the car. We'll get to the exact number when we do a proper walk around. But yeah, that's the front seats. Oh yeah, let's also look at these. Look at the finishing of the buttons, to move front, back, just to be here to move these seats. It's super, the finishing is just nice. You got some compartment storage also located down here with some Type-C charging for you. We will open up this later on, but just so you can see, storage compartment all over the place. Beautifully done. Let's close that and let's move to the rear. One more thing. The doors, if you want to open them up, you have a button right here to get that sorted. So if you press it, so you move backwards, doors open up. Same goes for the rear also as well. You have a button right here to do it. But let's move to the rear part of the car, where we can actually get a feel of how spacious this car actually feels and looks. So right now I'm here sitting at the rear left part of the passenger. You got some air vents here that you can adjust for air to flow towards you. Another beautifully designed speaker on the door side here. You got some adjustments for the seats. I believe this should be moving the front. Check that out. So the front seat is actually moving, controlling from the side part of the door right here. Even this, I can move that front and back from here. Very nice. Window adjustments. You have also a blind here that can go up automatically. Got speakers up here. You got a lovely shade. There's a glass roof on top here, but Yep, I believe this will roll back and then you have more visibility for the glass. But let's open up the doors again here. Okay, cool, opens up by itself. Now let's look what's here. I believe this must be a small compartment where you can store some small rubbish and whatnot. But yeah, I'm not sure what this is. Maybe you can actually lift it open in a way. But yeah, let's not touch anything else we don't know. But cool. Space is awesome. I believe someone left something here, but never mind. Just leave that there. We got compartment storage here, compartment storage there. Legroom is awesome, man. Check it out. Super spacious and nice. And I'm going to be jumping to the front seats in a while more for you to get a proper view of how this actually looks. But in the meantime, it's actually quite spacious. Check this out. Super nice and awesome. I love the texture design of the seats as well. You got these gold touches here and there, right there as well. Check this out again here. Okay, now let's move to this side where you can pull this down. Check this out. We got some storage here with some USB and some Type-C charging, cup holders. Fold it back down again, lift it back up again. The other side of the seats, very nicely done. Let's move to the side here. We are from there to here. Check out the opening of the doors. The way it's, 90 degrees to the max. Let me pull and see whether there's a little bit more full already. This is also the same. A little bit more, there we go. Very nice. Now, the rear tires, right? The tire size is 265/45 R20. You got some orange calipers right there. Solid disc, not the drill disc. Two-tone finish of your wheel design. Beautifully designed, not bad. Very nice. Now check out the rear part. Very nicely done. I love this tail light. Beautiful. Now let's open up the boot. Okay, is it here? I believe so, yeah. There we go. So, boot is opened up. Let's check out what we have right here. Power outlet for you to charge your stuff. To lower down the height of the car, so that you can store stuff in and out easily, more comfortably. Compartment storage right here to keep some stuff. And I believe that also would be something where you can keep some stuff over there also. Very nice. Got a lot of storage here. The rear seats you can fold down if you wish to. You got your electronic boot closing up here, just like a lot of other cars right now. When you open up your rear boot, your lights turn on over there. So let's close it back down and see those lights actually disappear in a while more, I believe. So let's check it out. 3, 2, 1. Boom, there we go. From down goes all the way up. 7X, very nice. And for that, let's fold down the seats. So the thing that I love about this is that they have the seat belt already hooked onto the the seat. So when you lift it back up later, it's not going to get stuck at the back here while you clip it on. You get what I mean? So let's open up the rear boot again. Check out the storage. Very much spacious. Love how it is. And I believe there must be a shade right here that goes all the way from here to here to block out the visibility of the glass, so people don't see what's actually here. But yeah, super spacious. Beautiful. Just love how it looks. The design is absolutely lovely. Let's push that back up. Done. Super easy and nice. Love the two-tone. Got some design right here. Got the black finish right here. You got some orange stitching or yellow stitching, but the contra is there lah. Very nice. Very nice. And let's move right to the driver's side. I sat so comfortably at the back earlier, and even right now, I'm having tons of space. Check it out. I can stretch my legs straight, Very nice. Very nice. So there are tons of settings that you can do. Under light show, you can change your welcome lights to all sorts of different kinds of lighting. These are the front lights. We're talking about the main front one right here. So lovely. You got your gear. Select the lever over here. You have your wiper and also your how to say this, the front and the back wipers over here. And yeah, sprinkler. This one right here is your parking for the car, drive, reverse and P. And you also get your other settings that you can choose to control the main screen over here. You got your voiceover over this side. You got your 360 cameras. Quick selection here, so it pops up over there. Let me just try and see where it shows up. There we go. Beautifully done. You're done. Just press X. Goes away. So yeah, these I believe are sensors so that it looks at you in case if you're sleepy or whatnot. Then it gives you some sort of prompt kind of a thing. Down here. Let's open up the mirror. Beautiful. Push that back up. So yeah, check that out, man. Lovely. Love how it looks. Space is super awesome, man. Super awesome. Check that out. Ooh, beautiful. Has a light. Let's get down. I'll show you how the lights look like. So again, simple adjustments here and there. Door opening, compartment storage, speaker at the front, Zeekr sound right there. Let's move on to the side. You got your turn indicators located below the mirror. Beautiful. Check out the front. Half of the LED becomes the turn indicator. Beautiful. Love it. Simply lovely. Damn. So let's close the so there we go. So those red lights that were on earlier, probably switch it off, will become something like that. But let's close the rear boot to see what we're actually looking at. So there we go. So brake lights are over there. We got these right here. Very nice. Lovely. So you got your railing up here. You also get a glass roof. Check that out. Super nice. Wow, this is nice, man. This is so cool. Look at that. Just by having this like that, it makes me feel there's so much of space, like a lot of space, man. Even though it was the same space earlier, but just with that shade removed, makes you feel like there's tons of space. Beautiful. Two-tone again, the seats. That's off the there we go. Check that out, man, dude. Beautiful color. Black and grey interior, grey exterior. Lovely. Just love how this car looks, man. So guys, yeah, if you'd like to find out more about Zeekr 7X, you can head down to Sunway, Zeekr Sunway KL. Their Instagram is also there, Sunway City KL. And you can find out more about the Zeekr 7X. They also have the Zeekr 009. They also have the another one right here, mineral green. They also got the flagship model for the Zeekr X. Another one right there, I'm not sure if you can see it. But yeah, over there is the premium version for the Zeekr X. Check out the front. Again, before that, let's open up the hood, see what's hiding underneath. Is the opening right here? Nope, the opening is not right here. So let's see where. Okay, so the front opening is actually at the main screen. So earlier I already opened it up, so there we go. So there's a button there's a selection right here that you can select to open up the front hood. So when you do, it opens up. So you got to go all the way there. It's not like your traditional cars where they have it at the bottom here or over there, but no. In this case, it's right here. So tap on the front selection earlier, opens up. Let's go all the way up. So you got these hooks that go inside here, same also, this one goes inside here. Windshield washer, compartment storage. I believe this also you can keep some stuff, not your cable if you don't want to keep your cable, but you can keep all sorts of other kinds of stuff. But yeah, beautifully designed, guys. It is a beautiful car. You got to be here to experience it, and then maybe perhaps you can know what is it like to actually sit on this car. I mean, in this car. The leather is really soft. You really gotta be here to experience it. Really. Super, super soft and nice, man. Really fantastic. Beautiful car. Just love it. Yep. So let's take one with all the doors closed. Check it out. I didn't put much effort, but yeah, just like that, I'm just pushing it. There we go. Door closes by itself. So this front hood, I'm not going to slam it down, but yeah, let's just slowly put it down. Okay, I'll close that later. But yeah, just to the side. Just ignore what you see, all these black stuff, because the car is still new. So I believe that is there so that, you know, during the delivery time, that will not be there. Don't worry. But yeah, check out how beautiful this car looks. Amazing, man. Super stunning and nice. Main headlights right underneath here. Cool. So guys, thank you for watching. If you'd like to find out more, do head down to Zeekr Sunway at Sunway.